Now look at me. Look at mommy. Hi everyone, it's been a while. So I decided to do a vlog today because I'm shooting for my daughter's 5th birthday. So I just wanted to show you behind the scenes. So I've set up, I'm using 2 umbrella lights. I wanted to use a soft box, but well, I'm using 2 umbrella lights. Then I got the studio background from Amazon. And then we're just going to play around and see what it looks like. But right now I just want to test my lighting to see what it looks like. Mama, come on, stand here. Let me see something. Okay, so I'm going to go dress her up now, make her hair, and then we're going to keep this rolling. Okay? We are back. Hi, Mama.
Hi, Mama.
You look beautiful, Mama.
Yeah, look at my crown.
You love it?
Yeah,
Okay, so let's go to the background. Let's go. All right, let's do this. So we're back, and we're going to start shooting now. Beautiful. Good job. You're doing amazing, Mama. Good.
so quiet.
Mama, look at me.
Please. Already my birthday, number 5 years old. Look, this one's either.
Okay, so Tommy decided that she wanted to take some pictures by the white background, so we are still here. Okay. Okay, Mama. Now look this way. Look at Val. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Good. Now look at me. Look at Mommy. Look at me. If you want to see the edited pictures, follow me on Instagram at nenebatubo. I'm going to be putting all the edited pictures up on Instagram. Okay. Mama, let's go change.
Back. And so you become Princess Jasmine.
Your Princess Jasmine? Oh, I like it. Princess Jasmine with the swag. No, I'm not saying this. No. Okay. Do like this. Yeah, put your hand like this. Yeah. Yeah? Put your hand like this. Look at me. Put your hand like this. Put your hand like this and look at me. Do like this. Like lean on your cheek, on your hand. Put your hand like this and lean on it. Yes. Yes. Yeah. There you go. Yes, baby. Yes, there you go. So, Mama, hold the lamp like this. Hold the base of your lamp, yeah? Under the lamp. Hold under the lamp. Yeah. Hold it like this.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Good. Good. So that's our photo shoot today. So say happy birthday in the comment section to Tommy. Tommy is 5. A comment.
You get the like button.
Yeah, click on the like button. What else?
You should get the subscribe button.
Yeah, hit the subscribe button. So I'll see you again in my next video. Let me know, have you ever done a home photo shoot with your child? How was the experience? It is actually exhausting. Thankfully, I set up yesterday night. So I set up last night, so it made it a bit easier for me to do this today. But let me know in the comments if you've ever done a home photo session. Did you enjoy your photo shoot? Did you enjoy it? Oh, there's my kids.